Chapter 4. What triggers a decrease in accumulated devaluation? The balance in the account accumulated depreciation will be decreased when an asset that has been depreciated is gotten rid of. When an asset is sold, the depreciation cost is first made a record of up to the date of the sale. Then the possession and its accumulated depreciation is removed and the earnings are noted. Here's an example. A business has equipment of $600,000 and accumulated depreciation of $380,000 before a product of equipment is sold. The original cost of the devices being sold was $50,000. The primary step is to make a record of the existing period's depreciation on that one item. Let's presume the depreciation will be $500. Let's also assume that after it is made a record of, the item's built-up devaluation will be $40,500. A debit to loss of disposal of asset for $4,500. A credit to equipment for $50,000. Prior to this deal, the balance in the accumulated devaluation account was a credit balance of $380,000. The property's current period devaluation of $500 increased the account's credit balance for $380,500. The disposal of the asset will reduce the balance in accumulated devaluation by $40,500 to a new balance of $340,000. What is the entry to remove equipment that's sold before it is totally depreciated? Entries to make a record of a sale of devices. When devices that is used in a firm is gotten rid of, sold, for cash, before it is fully diminished, 2 steps should be taken. Record the depreciation cost right up to the date of the disposal. Get rid of the device's cost and the up-to-date built-up devaluation, record the money received, and record the resulting gain or loss. The primary step needs a journal entry that debits depreciation expense for the depreciation up to the date of the disposal, credits accumulated depreciation for the depreciation up to the date of the disposal. The second step needs another journal entry to credit the account equipment to eliminate the equipment cost, debit accumulated depreciation to get rid of the device's up-to-date collected devaluation, debit cash for the amount got. If a debit amount is needed because the money received was less than the equipment's book value, record a debit to loss on disposal of equipment. If a credit amount is needed because the cash received was greater than the equipment's book value, record a credit to gain on disposal of devices. If the equipment was traded in or exchanged for another property, the second step will be different.